Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set developer options for games on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's try into the tutorial. Here, please go to the settings menu. Okay, after that you can select about phone option. And then please click on version number here 7 times to activate developer option. Okay, after that here you can exit and then go to developer options in the additional settings. Well, and then please scroll down. After that, please disable this option, longer buffer size. After disabling, you can scroll down again and then tap on this option, graphic driver preference. Okay, and then you can choose the game you want to set. And then here, if the game you choose has a built-in graphics driver, and then you should set it with the game's default graphics. But if not, and then you can choose this option. Okay, when finished, you can go back and scroll down again. And then please set the settings for the 3 scale settings, window animation, transition animation, and animator duration in the up option like this. Okay, after that you can scroll again. And then select the background process limit. And then here please set it in the 2 backgrounds process option or you can turn it off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to set developer options for games on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.